As you can see, I've added an overlay in the bottom left corner to track the key data points. For this video, I also added a counter for total energy consumption. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful, or if you think I'm missing anything important. I'm still tweaking the layout, but the goal is total transparency. No theoretical calculations and no bullshitting, just the actual numbers from a real-world trip. What a beautiful forest, right? Oh dear. So, today we are going to visit a volcano. It's a bit clickbaity title, of course, but it really was a volcano once. Of course, this volcano hasn't been active in the last 7 million years, but it is a volcano nonetheless. And now I am somewhere in the forest on a pretty bad road, and I just realized that I have a flat tire. So, party time. Here is the culprit. It's a brand new tire, by the way, or tube. Hey, that happens.
So, I don't know if you can see it. There is the goal of today's trip. That mountain is called Somlóhegy. It's still 27 kilometers away, so we still have some distance to cover. Okay, so I just had some lunch and well, here's my front tire, the second flat tire in as many hours. It's not especially high, but it's pretty steep. So let's see how it goes. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Whew. This was hard work, both for me and the bike. See that road there? That's where we came from. I will look up how high, what is the height of this hill. And I am alone here. Beautiful. Good morning. It's 10 to 7 in the morning, and you can see how early it is from the shadow the mountain casts on the plains. You can see that. That's the shadow of the mountain. It's a beautiful day. going to be a beautiful day. Hopefully. I am visiting an old friend of mine, actually a former professor of mine. We will chat a bit and then I'll be on my way home. Right now I'm drinking a good cup of coffee and I'm just admiring the landscape. The night was very good. Of course I was awakened a few times by the wind. It rustled the flaps of the tent, but otherwise it was beautiful. It's just the right temperature, just the right scent here, and I enjoyed it very much. It looks like I didn't do a very good job patching up the tube, because this morning it was flat again. So now I have to look for some other punctures that I might have on this tube. As you can see, I'm charging now. The only problem is that every gust of wind threatens to demolish it. Well, it is what it is. We will see how it goes. But right now I'm charging, so it's all good. Good morning. It's 6:20 and I am all set for the road. The deer were yelling, calling each other. There were some wild boars and I even heard some golden jackals for the first time in my life. So let's go. Okay, so just when I thought that I've already had my fair share of flat tires, here it is, another one.